Hey fam! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you the amazing story of Olga Kulinich, a fitness bikini competitor from Odessa who's absolutely killing it in her 40s. She's such an inspiration, proving every day that beauty, strength and positivity go hand in hand. Let's dive into her journey. Olga was born on March 18, 1979, in the beautiful city of Odessa. Not much is known about her parents, but what's clear is that her love for fitness started right from when she was a kid. As a child, she totally idolized fitness legends like Corey Everson and Laura Preston. I mean, who wouldn't want to look like them, right? So, she hit the gym and eventually became a certified fitness instructor herself. How cool is that? Fast forward to 2012. Olga won her first title at the Ukrainian Cup in fitness bikini. It was the kickstart she needed. From there, she skyrocketed to becoming the world champion in Thailand and racked up titles in European championships too. Can you believe that? So now she's juggling all things fitness, coaching, training for championships and keeping her fans in the loop on Instagram. But it's not just about her. She's all about promoting a healthier lifestyle and inspiring others. Now let's talk about her personal life, which is just as inspiring as her athletic one. Olga is married to Oleg Kulinich, who's a jiu-jitsu coach and her biggest supporter. And guess what? Their son Vladimir is already making a name for himself in jiu-jitsu too. This family is seriously goals. They share that passion for sports which strengthens their bond. Sure, they have their ups and downs, but respect and love really hold them together. To keep that awesome physique, Olga sticks to strict workouts and healthy eating. But listen, she also treats herself to her favorite sweets, just not until after competitions. Her meal prep is vibrant with tons of veggies, carrots, beets, squash. Yum. Proof that eating healthy can still be super tasty. Olga Kulinich's journey is such a powerful testament to strength and positivity. She's motivating so many of us, and honestly, who doesn't need that? If you enjoyed learning about her inspiring story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and tap that bell icon so you don't miss any future vlogs. Until next time, keep chasing after those dreams and remember, stay strong and positive.